I'm gonna finally 3D print a Knockbox for my Barista Express. Everything is ready, the file is sliced around 81 grams. I think it's gonna be good enough with PETG filament on my Anycubic Core 3. The print is going relatively well. Looks quite nice so far. The main part of the Knockbox is done. Looks quite good, I would say 9 from 10. There are some minor defects, but nothing major really. What I really like is bottom, the ironing is perfectly tuned. Okay, I did one mistake. I should make it a bit bigger, but it's gonna do the job. It is quite sturdy. I printed it in PETG, so heat won't damage it. It looks really good. It is sturdy, so the only thing you can change is to make it a bit bigger.